Hey guys, welcome to Pavilion Coder. In this video we will create an advanced calculator using Python. First of all, I will quickly open Visual Studio Code and create a Python file. You can use any other text editor as your wish. Now, think about it that what do we do in a calculator? We enter a number, then we enter an operator and then we enter the second number. So these are the three things that we input. Therefore, let's create a couple of functions that will take input. So, I will create a function that will input the numbers. First of all, I will create two global variables, number 1 and number 2. Now many people have this confusion that why did I created two global variables? Actually these two variables are defined in input_numbers function, and later in the code, we are going to use these variables outside the function. Therefore, to make these variables accessible outside the function, I made them global variables. Now, I will take the first number as input from the user and store its value in number 1. Then I will use .isAlpha_numeric attribute to check that the entered input is a number or not. Using while loop, I will take input until the entered string value is not a number, and I will do the same for number 2. Now I will create another function to enter the operator. In this function, I will create another global variable that will input the operator. Then, I will call these two functions. Further, let me tell you that, in Python, we mainly have 7 operators. So, I will use if-else loop to check that the entered operator is which operator. If opr is equal to plus, then I will print. The sum of these numbers is number 1 plus number 2, if opr is equal to minus, then I will subtract the numbers, and so on for the other operators. Now, let's try running this code. So I will enter the first number as 5 and second number as 2. And, I will enter the power operator here. So we know that the answer should be 25, and, yes, the answer is 25. So guys, our calculator is working correctly. You can get this code in the description or the pinned comments. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.